all of us, at some time or another, have organized over making decisions. Some decisions are major decisions. And also there are a lot of small decisions that we don't make, that they tax our mind, they drain our energy. They create a lot of anxiety and nervousness and mental torment because we don't take care of it. We decide not to decide which is the decision. Imagine you're in the deathbed, standing over in a deathbed, and the ghost representing you, unfulfilled potential. The ghost of the idea you never acted on. The ghost of the talent you didn't use. And they're standing over in your bed, angry, disappointed, and upset. And they say we come to you because you could have brought us to life, they say. And now we have to go to the grave together. So I ask you today, how many ghosts are going to be around when the time comes? How many time to spend working on you? How many time to spend every day working on your dream? What kind of investment have you made in it? If your mentality is, I can wait to see what happened great to me in 2022, you are gonna get fucking shit as a result. Life does not real people who wait to see what happened. What you put in, you will get out. So, if you want 2022 to actually be different, you have to not only be willing to visualize and manifest. You have to be willing to grit it out. You have to be willing to push through discomfort. Nothing that you're about to try or do or achieve that is was real. It's gonna be comfortable for you during the process of creating it. And I want you to take the word hope. And I want you to throw it on the motherfucking ground. And I want you to replace it with the word I will fucking do in 2022. Thank you. Hey, my brother and my sister, I forget something. I'm a student of Akka School of America, English. If you want to get more knowledge from it, don't forget to subscribe, share, like. Thank you. You will get, I will believe it, you will get the knowledge. Thank you.